Bearcat here, and today, I'm still saying in my dang intro, today we're going to be cooking an omelet, alright, and so, what you need is, so let's get a bowl. I am too short to climb up, to do it, so I'm just going to climb on top of the This is how Americans do it! Okay, so we got ourselves a bowl. So, what you need to make the omelet, you need a spoon, another spoon, a jar, apple, your mom's phone, lotion, and salt. Now let's pour salt all over this. Now you need your computer mouse. Put it in there. And enjoy your delicious meal.